Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson 6 Safety and First Aid. Lesson number 6 Safety and First Aid. So turn the page, revise the whole lesson in some points. Let us revise. Accidents are unexpected and sudden incident that generally result in an injury, damage or harm. Accidents are unexpected and sudden incidents that generally result in an injury, damage or harm. 2. First aid is the immediate help. First aid is the immediate help given to injured person before medical help arrives. First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before medical help arrives. So third point is safety measures help us to avoid accidents. Safety measures help us to avoid accidents. Fourth point, it is very important to calm down the injured person in extremely painful injuries such as burns. First aid means it is very important to calm down. First aid is very important to calm down the injured person in extremely painful injuries such as burns. Fifth point is electric main must be switched off immediately. Electric mains must be switched off immediately in the event of fire. In the event of a fire to prevent short circuit. Understood, my kids? These are the some points of the whole lesson. Okay. Now we are going to revise the exercise. Exercise. Already we solved it, but we have exam. Soon we have exam, so we must revise this one now. So see, exercise. First question, fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. A's options are fracture, sprain and bruises. An injury in which twisted joint swells up. An injury in which the twisted joint swells up is called sprain. An injury in which twisted joint swells up is called sprain. Okay. Now B. Options: blood, bones, saliva. The rabies germs are present in the where saliva of infected animals such as dog. The rabies germs are present in the saliva of infected animals such as dogs. C. Options: an ice pack, water, spirit. Applying an ice pack on a sprained part reduce its swelling. Applying what? An ice pack. Applying ice pack on a sprained part reduce its swelling. D. Options: sand, water, kerosene. We used what? Sand. We used sand to put out a fire caused by a petrol. We use sand to put out a fire caused by petrol. Okay. Now see second question. Question number 2. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. We already ticked and crossed, but again once time we are going to revise. It is important not to break any blisters formed on a burns wound. Yes, it is important to not to break any blisters formed on a burns wound. Correct. B. Anti-rabies injection need not be given to a person bitten by a dog if he or she does not show symptoms indicating possibility of rabies. It is a wrong. It is a wrong. So crossed here. Anti-rabies injection need not be given to the person bitten by a dog if he or she does not show symptoms indicating possibility of rabies. It is a wrong. C. One must not shut down the electric mains in the event of fire. It is also wrong. When electric mains must be switched off immediately in the event of fire to prevent the short circuit. So this sentence also wrong. D. Nosebleeds are always minor injuries and need not be taken seriously. It is also wrong. Nosebleeds are always minor injuries and need not be taken seriously. Wrong. We should take seriously. Okay. Now last question number 3. Answer the following questions. Question A. What is first aid and how is it so important? Why is it so important? Question A. What is first aid and why is it so important? Answer is simple medical help or emergency treatment given to an accident victim before a doctor or an ambulance arrive is called the first aid. Simple medical help or emergency treatment given to an accident victim before a doctor or ambulance arrives is called the first aid. Okay. Now, why is it so important? It is provide immediate relief because first aid provide immediate relief to the injured person and help to calm him or her and help to calm him down. It prevents the person's condition from worsening if the injury is a little serious. It can be a life savior till emergency medical helps arrive. So it is very important. First aid is very important. Understood, my kids? Second question. What kind of first aid would you give to someone who has accidentally cut his fingers? Question B. What kind of first aid would you give someone who has accidentally cut his finger? Answer. First, thoroughly wash your hands with a soap and clean water. Then wash the wound with a clean water and an antiseptic liquid. Now, pat dry the wound with a piece of a clean cloth or cotton gauze. First of all, thoroughly wash your hands with soap or clean water. Then wash the wound with a clean water and an antiseptic liquid and apply an antiseptic liquid. Now pat dry the wound with a piece of a clean cloth or cotton gauze. Finally, apply antiseptic cream. Finally, apply an antiseptic cream on wound. Cover the wound. Cover the wound with a gauze pieces and bandage it firmly. Understood, kids? This is the first aid would given to the accidentally cut finger. Okay. Now last question. Question C. What must we do immediately in the event of leakage of gas at home? What must we immediately do in the event of leakage of a gas at home? What we do? In answer is, in the case of a gas leakage, suddenly open all the doors, windows to let out the leaked gas. In the case of gas leak, suddenly open all the doors, windows to let out the leaked gas and immediately get the cylinder repaired. Do not use the gas cylinder until it is required by the mechanic from the gas agency. Do not use the gas cylinder until it gets repaired by the mechanic from the gas agency. Understood, kids? These are the question answers. Now you read the lesson, revise the lesson revision along with exercise and by these all question answers. Thank you for watching the video.